Alrighty, I received a little something in the mail today. This is the Carpuride W702 navigation system. Alright, let's get the box open. So, right here on the top of the box, you're going to notice is the actual unit itself. This thing has an IP67 waterproof rating, and as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities. The screen's 7 inches, which is honestly pretty huge for what you need. Next up in the box, we just have a couple of cables here. That's the mounting system for your handlebars. It's adjustable depending on the type of handlebar size you have and what you need personally. Next up in the box, we have the USB cable for if you happen to have a USB plug available on your bike, or you can just plug it into a battery bank if you don't want it wired into your bike. Then we have a spare 3 or 5 amp fuse, I can't remember. And we have the cable that hooks directly to your battery so you can have constant power to the unit. Just the other things in the box is a little instruction manual and a wrench to put the actual mount onto your bike. So I didn't actually show any of the installation process here, I just went ahead and put it on the bike. It's pretty simple. You just find an open space on your handlebar, you clip the mounting bracket on, you put the other piece on, and then you screw the 2 nuts down on top and stick the GPS system on. The only difficult part, and I say difficult pretty loosely, all you need to do is pull off a little bit of your side plastics and run the cable from your battery up to the front of your bike somehow. Each bike's different, so that's why I didn't include it, but I'll put a picture up of how mine is actually ran if you're curious. So when you first turn the device on, you need to go to audio input, and you're going to have 2 Bluetooth options here. The top one is going to be the Bluetooth connection to your phone, so you're going to need to set that up, which I had already done it at this point. And then the bottom one is the Bluetooth connection to whatever sort of speakers you have, either AirPods, headphones, or in my case, I have a Sena inside my helmet. I have helmet speakers. So once these 2 are paired together, then it uses the phone connection to control my music and Android Auto and stuff, and then it uses the output of my Sena to play it into my headphones. So, in order to get this to work with my Sena, I hold this button until it starts pairing Bluetooth for the Sena, and then we search, and this is going to do a Bluetooth pairing to this thing, and then we use this Did it do it? So it's connected. Okay, so now it's connected. Go to Android Auto. We can play the no copyright music. Yeah! But now we can listen to the no copyright music and control it from here. I just put this thing on and it hooks up to the battery. So if you look right here, that cable runs under the gas tank and to the battery. And so this thing runs off the battery's power, so it's never going to die. You don't have to worry about charging it or nothing. I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to wire it into the ignition so that it only comes on when the bike comes on. It does have a power button here on the side to turn it off, so it's not always on. This thing's pretty neat. If I need to make a call on the fly, I can go here, and it has all my recent calls, and I believe somewhere's around here. Yeah, contacts, so I can go to my contacts and call people from there too, which is really nice. So, what I do want to say is, first and foremost, I've always been a big anti-phone mount guy. I don't like phone mounts. I don't like the idea of having my phone right here poised and ready to fall off. I don't like the idea of not having my phone on me in the event of a crash, because this is what worries me. Let's say that I'm on the motorcycle and it goes that way and I go this way, right? And I'm over here in the ditch, broken leg, whatever, and I can't get up. Or the ditch drops off really far and I can't get out of that ditch for whatever reason. And my bike's just right there fine. Well, the bike's fine and I'm injured. Well, my phone is on the bike, and now I have no way of calling for help if needed. Now, I know it's a one-off niche situation that, you know, may not happen. And, you know, I mean, maybe it being in my pocket, the phone breaks instead of being on the bike, but I don't like it. I don't like the idea of it. And more importantly, I've seen a lot of phones just flying off bike mounts, and I really don't like that. Don't like anything about it. When Carpuride reached out to me and asked if I wanted to check this thing out, of course I said yes.
the application and the way it works. I mean, it's simple. It hooks to the battery. I like the clamp, the way that the clamp hooks down. It feels pretty good, and it's got a lot of room for adjustment, so it's able to really kind of like go to larger and larger bars depending on what you got, you know. Above all, I just really like the idea of being able to have the GPS in front of me, have the Spotify here just like I would if I had my phone in front of me, without actually having my phone leave my pocket. This hooks to my phone via Bluetooth, and then it hooks to my Senna through another set of Bluetooth connections. So it connects to my phone, and that's what controls everything. And then from here, it transmits the audio and stuff to my phone, or to my Senna, so I can hear everything in my helmet without having to have any speakers or whatever, you know. Alright. So, we're heading to the gas station up here, and I just put it in on the GPS, and look at that! It says 6 minutes, 4.5 miles, or 4.9 miles.
In a quarter mile, at the traffic circle, continue straight onto Florida 61.
Cool! Cool, it works. It's talking to me. It's got apps on my phone. Oh, YouTube Music, look at that! So I can pull up YouTube Music and listen to something. Let's slow down a little bit so we can mess with this thing. So we can go to Discord. The Council of Christian Gamers, dickfartjr just uploaded a new video. You see that? Play aloud.
Carl Bot said, dickfartjr just uploaded a video. Go check it out. Link to u2.be.
Isn't that cool?
In a quarter mile, slide right.
Text messages. Okay, there we go. Nobody's texting me. They don't love me. There we go. Alright, we got the pizza place in the thing. Got the Spotify going.
Continue for 3 miles.
Ooh, you did it too. Oh, and you're gonna go slow? What are you doing? What are you doing? She didn't even notice. What else does this thing do? Discord. Games. We're gonna play games while we're driving? Oh yeah. Yeah, that's good. That's such a bad idea. We're not gonna do that. I suppose it's good though if I'm just sitting here. Or more importantly, I believe they make these for cars too, so they probably have the game feature for if you got kids.
Continue for 1.5 miles.
Well, that's one of them policeman's. Oh, that's another great thing about this. So, most apps have, like Google Maps and whatnot, has the ability to tell you, hey, cops ahead, like that guy right there. You know? Like, if there's a speed trap set up, it'll let you know. And now, I'll know. What does that mean? I don't know if you can touch that. Anyway, I think it's telling me there's a car accident right there. I guess that's what that means. I don't know. Let's try making a call again. Oh, he's ringing. Old Hunter Bussin. What's going on?
Caleb and I are on the way up to up to Tally. We're just we're getting gas right now.
Oh, that's all good. I was calling you from my GPS system on my dash to check it out. I need to change.
In a quarter mile, at the traffic circle, take the 3rd exit. Your destination is on the right.
It says we made it. Would you look at that? What's going on? Check it out. We got a fucking...
Oh yeah, the GPS.
Got the old GPS stuff. Yeah. Just a handlebar mount. It's wired into the battery and all that good stuff. It's got Spotify on it.
You liking it?
I think it's pretty cool, honestly. We got the old no copyright music for YouTube. Oh yeah, this is terrible. But it hooks into my Senna.
Can you play YouTube on that?
Yeah, it's got YouTube music.
Got Discord on there.
Yeah, all the good stuff. It tells me if I get a text message, I can call people from it. Alright, so here we are. It's wet. Really wet out. And our carpuride GPS system is working just fine. Taking care of everything, telling us how to get around. This bad boy is IP67 rated, so a little drizzle or even a heavy rain is going to be just fine. But yeah, the carpuride GPS system is handling this rain a whole lot better than I am.